Hey guys, so I'm going to try something I always wanted to try, and it's pretty interesting. It's here in this box, and what it is, it's an inflatable tent. Now, I know that sounds ridiculous, and I don't even camp in tents. I camp in my camper van, but my kids camp in a tent, so if this works out, I think they might like it. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's inside. It is an inflatable tent, so be careful when you cut this open with your knife. But let's see. Okay, I like the colors. It's kind of like the Florida Gators. And this is a two-man tent. It's this big. We'll see if it works. Okay, so we got this. Let's see what else is here. The directions are inside the bag, which is nice, so you don't ever lose that. Let's see what's here. Okay, so this looks like the battery, which is rechargeable with USB, so that's fantastic. Some stakes and rope. I won't be using that for my test here in the backyard. Ropes and stakes are the same for all tents. Okay. Here's a rain fly. The brand is Wise Tiger. So let's set this thing up and give it a shot. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Alright, so you can feel it. It's a little bit puffy. You can tell because there is some inflatable stuff in there. And there's some stakes. I'm not sure what the stakes are for. If it's inflatable, hopefully we don't need it. And here is the big inflating element, or the pump. Okay. So right here is where the battery is. Looks like you stick the battery in there. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm not sure if it even comes charged, but let's give it a shot. Oops, pushed. Alright, so I'm going to charge the batteries and then we're going to come back and try that inflation again. Okay, so I got the battery charged up. There's a green light. Okay, so on this side, there's the plug, so you got to make sure you plug it up or else pumping up won't help you very much. Alright, let's give it a shot. Okay, I'll turn it on and we'll check out in real time how long it takes to pump up this tent. Alright, the pump just went off. Let me see. So that looks like it was just over 1 minute, maybe 1 minute and 10 seconds or something like that. for the pump to shut off by itself. I didn't shut it off. Okay. Okay, so the stakes are if you want to put up the front canopy. Okay, so let's put this on. Okay, so that's the way it looks. So from the picture, you can see if you want to use the stakes and put up this little canopy right here. You can do that. I can't put stakes in cement or brick, but let's check out the inside. Okay, so let's have a look around first. It's actually surprisingly secure. It's firm, and there's an entrance in the back side too. Okay, let's go in. Let's see how well I fit. So I have my legs touching the other end, my feet touching the other end, and I still have maybe another 6-7 inches right here. So, you know, and I'm 5'8", and I think you could actually fit 3 people here if you actually needed to. It feels bigger than just a 2-man tent. I think you can put 3 over here. There's some pockets for like your cell phone or something like that. And again, it's kind of cool that there's two ways in and out, either the front side or the back side. So that's kind of nice. There's another pocket here for the other person. Let's look up top. So there's some ventilation, and there's your rain fly. So there it is. Actually, I think it's really cool. I think it's surprisingly easy. I mean, surprisingly stable. I thought it would be a lot more flimsy being air, but it seems all right. So let's deflate it, see how quickly it deflates. Oops, wrong side. That's pretty fast. Okay, the straps makes it pretty easy to roll up. More ties here if you want to make it even more compact, so that's nice. Not bad. I'm actually pretty impressed by it. Well, I certainly can't speak about how durable it will be over prolonged usages, but from what I see, it seems pretty good. So I really like this. So I think my kids will be camping in this, and at least they'll never lose any of the sticks.